Hey everyone, I'm going to record a short video here. Sorry, the fan on my laptop's a little loud. What I want you to notice here's the data that we did for the logarithmic fit. You know what? There's the population and there's the walking speed. What we're going to do, I've already entered it into Excel, and I'm going to select all the data points. So I click here, I hold down the Shift key, and I click in the other corner, and it selects all the data points. And so I come and I'm going to Insert, and I'm going to go over to charts. Where is charts? Right here I have one with little dots in it, which is called a scatter plot. And so I choose a basic scatter plot. And here's what this data looks like if I were to graph it. This data, and this is similar to the graph we did. Now Excel has a function in charts to add a trend line. What it does is it does that calculation I did for every point option. So it'll do these 2 points, it'll do these 2 points, it'll do these 2 points, then it'll do these 2 points. It will do this point to this point, 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 and this point to this point. And it does that using kind of a linear regression, which is a matrix algebra thing that if you take linear algebra, you'll learn the beginnings of how you can do the linear regression, not linear regression, but the matrix that you need to calculate this, and you get the least square distance to it. It's an interesting little thing. It's hard to calculate on pencil and paper because there's a lot of calculations, but conceptually, it gets the line that's closest to all the points in the data. And so what we're going to want to do is I click on the chart, and I'll come to Add Chart Element, and I'll come down to Trend Line. And what we're going to do is we're going to do more trend line options. And it's going to put a straight line in there. But that's okay. What we want to do is we want to come and change the option, the type of line. And so if I come to trend line options, where did I choose? I want to choose logarithmic, because that's what we did, was a log function. So I come over to the thing, to the chart status here, and I do logarithmic. And then I will display the equation on the chart. And so notice it did y equals 3.8884 natural log of x minus 0.04444. And so this was the a variable that I chose, and this is the b variable I chose. And we were a little high on b and a little high on a, or yeah, a little high on b and a little lower or higher because it was a lower negative number. But that's because we only did 2 points. And so this is what fitting data looks like with our technology.